Welcome to SmartTruck. In this video, we're going to show you how to install the SmartTruck Aero Rain Guard, or as we call it for short, the ARG. The ARG is located on the trailer roof right above the rear doors. It directs the overhead airflow into the low pressure zone behind the trailer, reducing aerodynamic drag. Now before we get started, let's take a look at the tools and parts we're going to need.
Scissor lift, drill and 5/16 drill bit, a socket wrench and a 1/2 inch socket, a 1/2 inch combination wrench, 2 clamps, adhesive sealant and caulk gun, tin snips, acetone and clean rags, tape measure, torque wrench, the ARG assembly, the ARG fastener kit, and 5 roof tabs.
Examine the roof of the trailer for holes, wrinkles, damaged headers, anything that would prevent the proper installation. Repair any damages necessary and do not install on a trailer with a damaged roof. Next, we're going to measure the height and width of the trailer to ensure a proper fit. Position the ARG on the roof of the trailer above the rear doors and secure it by loosely clamping the brackets on each end to the roof extrusion. Align the notches on each end of the ARG with the very back edge of the trailer. There will be a 1 3/4 inch overhang off the rear of the trailer. If your brackets are more than 1/2 inch too wide or too narrow, you will need to replace them with the correct size brackets. Do not modify the brackets in any way. This will void your SmartTruck warranty. Choose 3 slots in each bracket and drill a hole through each slot. In each hole, apply a dab of caulk and attach the ARG fastener kit. On some trailers, you may need to temporarily remove indicator lights that are located in this area. Now, clean the roof of the trailer directly in front of the ARG with acetone or isopropyl alcohol. When that dries completely, we can install the ARG roof tabs. For each tab, remove the tape backing and firmly apply to the trailer roof with roughly 15 pounds of pressure. Next, apply a bead of adhesive sealant in between each of the roof tabs. Open the rear doors to ensure there is clearance for lock rods and lights. If necessary, trim half-moon cutouts into the trailing edge of the ARG. The ARG installation is now complete. Once again, measure the ride height of your trailer to ensure that you are in compliance with all DOT regulations.
The ARG installation is now complete. Thanks for watching. Please visit us at www.smarttruckaero.com for more information and product updates.